Ayun guys, may nagtanong sa atin. Ang sabi niya guys ay why does the plumber and the electrician got paid more than the carpenters? Wow. Nakakaano naman yung tanong sa atin ng isa nating viewers guys. Ang masasabi ko po for my experience bilang foreman, I will answer your question. Why does the electrician get paid more than the carpenters? Right, it's a very good question. My answer is like this. Electrician, before become an electrician, he has to go for one course, or we have to go to school and take at least short forms of electrical engineering, as like be a professional electrician. So he have to go to school, have to spend his time more than your experience. Apart from your experience, electrician have to go to school and learn how to be a electrician, how to be a professional electrician, and got a license. It's like a driver's license, it's electrical license before be a electrician. That's the first advantage of electrician and the carpenters. And the carpenters, just as long as you have experience, you have knowledge of carpentering, you know how to use tools, machines, and knowledge as carpenters, you don't have to get the license. So one's advantage on disadvantage being carpenters and electrician is the same thing with the plumbers. Plumbers too, you need the certified or certification as a plumber before you be a plumber. So in short, you have to be a licensed plumber before you be a, we call, plumber. That's the one advantage of being skills more than the carpenters. So of course, you have more skills, you have more capability to work more than the carpenters. You get paid more than the carpenters. All right, thank you so much.